Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 13, that is sound. We know what sound is. You are able to hear me because the sound is coming and you are able to hear it. Similarly, if the doorbell rings, you are able to hear the sound of a doorbell and opens the door. So sound plays an important role in our lives. It helps us to communicate with one another. We hear a variety of sounds in our surroundings. Now, if you go to a music room of your school, you can hear the sounds produced by musical instruments like flute, tabla, harmonium, etc. How is sound produced? How does it travel from one place to another? How do we hear sound? Why are some sounds louder than others? We shall discuss such questions in this chapter. Right? Sound is produced by a vibrating body. Touch the school bell when not in use. What do you feel? Again touch it when producing sound. You can feel it vibrating. You can do this activity at your home. Activity 13.1. Take one pan and bang it from its back and you can hear the sound. Now feel it. Feel the back side of it by the touch, and you will see that when you are banging it and you are touching it, you will feel the vibrations. Again strike the plate with the stick and immediately after striking you can hear the sound and touch the plate. You will see the vibrations. So all this activity, and the second activity is 13.2, that take a rubber band, put it around the longer side of a pencil box, insert two pencils between the box and the stretched rubber. See, this activity you do it in another way. When you throw some paper balls in the class to your particular friend to tease him, you do this, isn't it? And here also, because of the vibration in the rubber band, you can see the vibration and the sound is produced. Similarly, as you learned in class 7, the to and fro or back and forth motion of an object is called vibration. When a tightly stretched band is plugged, it vibrates and produces sound. When it stops vibrating, it does not produce any sound. Right? Now activity 13.3, take a metal dish, pour water in it, and there also when you bang it, you will feel the vibrations in the water, and this shows that the vibrations of sound can travel even through the water. Similarly, vibrating dish produces waves in water. You can see this. We see that a vibrating object produces sound. In such cases, the vibrations are easily visible to us, but in most cases, their amplitude is so small that we cannot see them. In activity 13.4 also you can see that ektara, you can make it at home even, that take a hollow coconut shell and make a musical instrument of ektara. You can make it with the help of an earthen pot. Figure 13.5, play this instrument and identify its vibrating part. You can see that one thread which is tightly been tied from one end of the stick to the other end, and when you are vibrating it, you will feel that the sound is coming. So all these things, all these musical instruments, they produce the vibrations. Now here in table 13.1 you have to see that musical instruments are here and what are the vibrating parts which is producing sound. Like this you can complete this table, right? Many of you might have seen the manjira and khatam and noot and kartal. All these instruments are commonly used in many parts of our country, and these musical instruments are simply beaten or struck. And can you name a few other musical instruments? See, all these musical instruments, if you see it, observe it properly, you will see that one or the other part is vibrating, due to which the sound is produced. Now here in activity 13.5 also you can see that by varying the amount of water in the glasses, you can see the variation in the sound produced from that particular glass. So here 6 to 8 bowls or tumblers are been filled with water at different levels, and you can see when it has been struck all of them in succession, you will hear the pleasant sound. You can do this Jal Tarang activity at your home also. Now when we pluck the string of an instrument like the sitar, the sound that we hear is not only that of the string, the whole instrument is forced to vibrate, and it is the sound of the vibration of the instrument that we hear. Similarly, when we strike the membrane of a mridangam, the sound that we hear is not only that of the membrane but of the whole body of the instrument. So this is how the sound is produced. Can we speak? When we speak, does any part of our body vibrate? Sound produced by humans. Here we will study about this.